It's a New Year Eve in Dubai. Fireworks are lighting up the sky. Everyone's celebrating except you. Your phone keeps buzzing. It's your accountant calling. Missing invoices, unbalanced books, penalties waiting. Instead of enjoying the night, you are stressed out. Sounds familiar? The truth is, it doesn't have to be this way. Today, I'm going to show you how UAE business can make year-end tax reporting simple, stress-free, and even turn it into a growth advantage. Let me give you two quick stories. Ahmed owns a trading firm in Daira. He delayed his reporting until March. The result? He paid heavy fines. His audit got delayed and even his bank loan was rejected. Now compare that with Sarah, who runs an e-commerce startup in Abu Dhabi. She planned her finance quarterly. Her reports were ready in just 7 days and she got her funding approved without any hiccups. The difference, planning versus procrastinations, and with corporate tax now live in the UAE, that difference can cost you thousands. So what are smart UAE businesses doing right now? They close mini year ends every quarter. That way, December never feels like chaos. They use cloud accounting, so when bank audit transactions, everything is ready at a click. They know their deductions, rent, salaries, and even business trips that prevents them from overpaying tax. They book their auditors early. Free zones like DMCC, IFZA, and DIFC requires audits, so waiting till the end of the year is a recipe for stress. And most importantly, they plan cash flow for taxes. Remember, corporate tax is 9%, so setting funds aside regularly avoids surprise later. Now here's why this matters beyond taxes. In the UAE, investors and banks judges your credibility by your financial reports. Messy books mean lost trust. Clean tax complaint report means funding, loans, and partnerships. Think of tax reporting as more than just paperwork. It's actually your silent growth strategy. So here is quick checklist for you. Keep invoices digital. Reconcile bank accounts monthly. Do quarterly reviews. Stay complaint whether you are in a free zone or mainland. Book your editors by mid-year. Save at least 9% of profit for tax. And here's the best part, once you get this right, you won't be stressed out. Business owner missing New Year's fun. You will actually be the one who's celebrating stress-free, knowing your business is in order. And now, if this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with another UAE business owner and subscribe.